it can be painful. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mariah. I have something special to review. Ever-Ready Zip Tote Bag from Tory Burch. I'm so excited to dive into the details of this stylish and functional bag, as well as the pros and the cons. And I took it upon myself to create a timestamp down below so you can click on which part of the video interests you. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post. The Ever-Ready Tote is made from a printed coated canvas with faux leather trim. It has a basket weave print all throughout the bag, which I love, and I love this blue bright color, which is perfect for the spring and summer season. It is crafted from a lightweight canvas material and a durable water resistant coat. It is perfect for those who are on the go, so if you're a mom, a college student like myself, or if you're looking for a personal bag for your travels. Tote bag is not only practical but also stylish, featuring the iconic basket weave print inspired by Tory's love for basketry. Now let's dive into the dimension of this tote. With a height of 11.4 inches, a length of 12.6 inches, and a depth of 6.3 inches. This tote provides ample space for your everyday essentials. It is designed to fit a 13-inch laptop. I own a 13-inch MacBook Pro and it fits perfectly, as well as my vlogging camera, my phone, even my Bose headphone with the case. Everything fits in perfectly, and you still have room for other things that you want to throw into your bag. One of the pros is, of course, like I mentioned, the size of this bag. This is a huge bag. When I got it for the first time around 8 months ago, when I traveled to Montreal, and this was my personal bag, very comfortable to carry it over the shoulder. And another thing that I love about this Ever-Ready Tote will be the removable zipper pouch. This zipper pouch came in handy when I was traveling. I could fit my passport, my ID, my keys, and I've showcased this bag on my TikTok page, and a lot of people in the comments made the comparison to the Goyard bag, which I can see that. I would say it does remind me of the Goyard bag. I love the craftsmanship of this bag, from the basket weave print to the structure of the bag to even the blue color does remind me of the Goyard bag. Goyard bag is $1,000 to $2,000 comparing to paying around $200 for this bag. Comparing to the Goyard, I would pick this over it any day because it does have a zipper closure. The Goyard doesn't. One of the things that stood out to me about this bag was this bright blue color. I believe this blue color was a limited color. I purchased this bag back in late July, early August, and I searched on the Tory Burch website and they don't have it in this bright blue color anymore, but they do have it in like neutral brown, which is very pretty. I love the basket weave prints. It's one of those bags, when you see it, you're like, okay, who's the designer? Who made it? Is this a dupe from the Goyard, or is it the Goyard itself? I don't know. People will never know if you don't know bags or if you don't know brands like that. And I'm not really into patterns, but this pattern, it's so beautiful. It's not one of those patterns where it's like, ugh, so aggressive. Moving on to the cons of this bag. Even though I love the top handle of this bag, it can be painful. I remember I took this bag when I was traveling to Montreal last August, and with everything from my electronics, my other personal items, this bag got really heavy. The thin strap made it so painful for me to carry it over my shoulders. I had to grab it at the bottom like so to take the weight off my shoulders because that's how painful the straps were. I think when it comes to tote bags, in my opinion, that's advertised for everyday use or for people who are on the go. I think it would have been best if the bag had a thicker strap. I don't know, it's my opinion, but not only it burned my shoulder, but it felt like the straps were going to pop at any moment. So I was kind of scared and in pain at the airport. I had to carry it like this or put it on top of my carry-on bag. And another con about this bag, it doesn't really bother me, but I think for most that, you know, you're spending $200 on this bag, is that the material is made out of canvas. It's like a water resistant material, which is good, but I found that, you know, canvas material can crease or they can peel. There's like a little bit of peeling at the bottom, which it doesn't really bother me, but just a heads up if you are thinking about getting this bag. Another con, it's not really a con but more like a suggestion. Even though the bag is structured, I would advise you to get a bag organizer to insert inside the bag. Amazon has so many affordable options, and I'm doing my research to find the one that can fit perfectly inside of my bag. And I think if you're looking for a tote bag like this, even though it's very structured, please keep in mind that it can get very lumpy. I like it. It adds character to the bag. If you want a more, you know, structured look, definitely look into purchasing a bag organizer to insert inside of your tote. But lastly, this Ever-Ready Tote from Tory Burch, it is a must-have for those who are looking for a fashionable but also functional bag. From the basket weave patterns to the durability, this bag is perfect for those who are on the go. And if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I will be providing a direct link to this bag if you are interested. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can always be notified every time I post. And until next time, stay stylish and ever ready. Bye.
She just took my side all out my body. I was like, yeah, she lying. Who told everybody? I can't feel my face. I'm beast narcotic. I took her to stay.